All right, welcome to another one meal a day vlog. If you saw yesterday's live stream, you'll know that I'm returning back to doing daily OMADs because consistency is where it's at. This is a reset within a reset. Sometimes it's a struggle, but like I say, struggle your way forward to success, as I did when I made this transformation with OMAD and my overall weight loss journey. It's going to be a struggle. You're going to go through struggle periods, but you have to know that you have what it takes to get the results you desire. You just have to have a winning mindset. You can't let the struggle bring you down. You have to see the struggle as an opportunity to level up. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Daniella Joy, and I've lost over 110 pounds on my weight loss journey. I started eating one meal a day last year after getting into a car accident. I actually lost the majority of my weight with one meal a day, and my goal is to actually get down to 155 pounds down, which would be a total of, if I can do math quickly, probably can't, but 125 pounds down. If I'm wrong, I'll put the edit on below, but that is my ultimate goal. So I've lost the majority of my weight eating one meal a day, and we are bouncing back into that. On my channel, I talk about how to lose weight through OMAD, 2MAD, a regular looking weight loss diet. I know it all. So to join the fam, make sure you smash that subscribe button and let's level up together. I also do sit down videos too, but today is an OMAD vlog. This week I'm aiming to eat 1,200 calories. That's it. We're gonna do 1,200 calories for the entire week, see what the scale does in a week, and I will adjust according to that. The only adjustment I will be making is the adjustment upwards. So I'm about to break my fast. I'm gonna go weigh myself and get that done. Breaking my fast with 265 grams of spaghetti bolognese. Breaking my fast at 20 hours and 1 minute. So yum. We're gonna go with carbs. Really good. I gotta figure out the macros and calories. Hang on. All right, for this bad boy, we are at 10 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, and 49 grams of carbs. I don't know how accurate it is, but we'll just go with it. Oh, I totally forgot to mention the calories. Bose fur, lovely. 280 calories, I believe. It's on the screen here for you. Bon appetit. All right, next is a 372 calorie protein shake. Now, I could have lost about 100 calories on this. However, I ran out of almond milk and I used some whipping cream and I used 2 servings, hence almost 2 servings. So that was about like 90 calories, but it is what it is. But anyway, this would normally be like 200 calories. However, there is 100 grams of egg whites in here, 1 scoop of casein protein, Rule 1 casein, and 1 scoop of whey protein from Limitless Pharma. There you go, my next meal, bringing me at a total of 600 and something calories. So today I did go to the gym and I burned, according to my watch, 960 calories, but who knows how accurate that is. And that is a lot considering I'm aiming for 1,200 calories today, but it's okay. I've got excess fat on me. Plus, my body will sort it out. I haven't been filming at the gym much. I just really not in the mood to film at the gym. I'm just feeling very low. To tell you the truth, I even said this in my live stream, I don't even want to be seen by anybody. Meaning that, like, I'm probably going through some kind of mental health thing. Nothing major. I have been doing a major reprocessing of trauma, childhood trauma, so it's probably just the ebbs and flows of doing EMDR therapy to help yourself heal. So let me know, do you guys want to see my workouts in the vlog? Like, I don't mind doing them. It is a lot of work, but let me know in the comments below. I do like filming myself because then I really can see my muscles and I'm like, whoa. 262 grams of spaghetti bolognese, plus with 1 can of Mediterranean style mackerel. mackerel. And this one wants to eat that. Well, hello, it's the next morning and I'm currently filming the next vlog. Here's some hot coffee or some black coffee that I need to pour and some electrolytes that I'm having right now. But yesterday, the goal was to do I just gave it away. The goal was to do 1,200 calories and I didn't. I went to 1,350 calories. Am I upset about it? No. Total calories on the day is 1,350 calories, 104 grams of protein. Don't like that protein number. I believe 40 grams of fat and 150 grams of carbs. Macros are a little bit crazy, but listen, it's OMAD. I'm not too concerned about macros. I do want to try to get my macros perfect, but the goal is weight loss. So there you have it. Yesterday I was supposed to eat meal prepped, but for some reason I went in the fridge. I was like, wait a second, I don't have any meal preps yet. So yesterday should have been a meal prep day. So I ended up eating some spaghetti bolognese that I made for my son. I ate that twice just to get my calories up. And I believe I mentioned this in the vlog. I had some with fish. It was so freaking good. But yeah, if you enjoyed the vlog, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you made it this far into the video, just drop in some sunshine emojis because I need the sun to come out. It is about 6 a.m. in the morning and there's no sun because it's that time of year. And yeah, I'm in a bra. I don't ask. Send you guys my love. Take care. Bye.